guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Lulu if it's your first time here, and I post lifestyle and beauty content. If you are a returning subscriber, a returning supporter, like a regular supporter on here, I appreciate you and thank you so much for coming back to watch yet another video. It's another vlog today, and it is on Fela Quid. No, is it Fela Quid? Kajogogidi 2. Oh my god. Kajogogidi 2 February, the month of love. And I'm coming to you live from my Sony ZV-E10. We are back vlogging with the camera again. I get to because I don't know how I'm going to put out the content that I'm filming from this camera. I don't know. I'm only trusting God, but trust and believe that I'll make a plan, because I can't edit the vlog on my phone, so I have to find a way to edit it on, I don't know where. Okay, focus. I got an order from Take a Lot to the other Take a Lot from Shein. Shein is fast these days. When did I order these things? I think I ordered them on the 27th, and then no kitty 2 kitty learning. I think it took like 6 days, 6 if not 5 days, for me to receive these things. So let me show you what I got. The first thing that I got is this tripod. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It says MT4T. Some girls like talking about it. This is what it looks like, and it can hold your phone and hold your camera. Let me show you what it is. I love this thing. So when you film for Instagram or TikTok, you can literally, okay, it turns like this, and then you can just and film for Instagram and for your TikTok and Instagram reels. Yeah, okay. So it goes all the way up. It's super long. So that's the tripod. It's super duper long. Like, it is long. This is the maximum height, and it's almost my height. I like it. I got this wireless microphone thingamajiggy. So I got this mainly, I don't know why I got this, honestly speaking, because the quality of sound that from the camera is perfect, like a sharp. I don't know why I'm so jittery. I think it's because I'm hungry. Baba, I like the fact that you can connect it to the camera. There's this thing for like the phone, Baba, for my iPhone, and then this is a C-type thing. So I like that it can do that. And maybe next time I get to sit down, maybe with a friend or something, then we can both have the microphone. Obviously the camera is going to be further away, so the sound is not going to be like proper. Guys, I think I figured it out. Nikki gets it on the wrong input, so that's why the sound wasn't coming out okay. So this is what it sounds like. If you're someone who's starting out with like YouTube like me, well, I'm not like starting out like that, but if you are someone who is still starting out somewhat, and you're trying to find your feet and stuff, so I think it's okay. And if maybe you are thinking of starting like a podcast or something like that, then I think this would work for you.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
Guys, can you see that there's a habanero here by where there was a yip yip? Mala nelenkana it was Cubana. Whether it was Cubana in a mohona long ayep mola. There's a habanero, it moved. Naked put sorry. The habanero there by Kanchela, the other side of Midland. Ilego guy. Can't about I might just come here tomorrow with it looks vibey. Like it's so packed. There's that camera is a zoomer pila, but it's so packed. So guys, me and Mikanyo are done. We are now on our way home, but I feel like we should get something to eat, and I don't know what to eat because girl is on a diet. We were not getting chocolates with Mikanyo, and I got a gluten-free, dairy-free, plant-based chocolates. And because I haven't been eating sugar all that much, it kind of tasted nice. It kind of tasted like it had a lot of sugar, which is very weird. It's because Mindy and we are taking pictures, so that's why you see me with a different top. Excuse my hair, but okay, alright. Leave me be. So, bikanyo wan raseta, mama. So, I have quite a jam-packed day tomorrow. So, I want to sort out my makeup stuff and figure out what I'm going to wear, and probably figure out what I'm having for breakfast in the morning, because I have to be up by 5 and leave by 6. That I am actually drinking wine from a proper wine glass, and let's also pretend that my hair is okay. No? I'm tired. I ended up having champagne. My last client was at 12. I ended up finishing around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I passed by to fetch my nephew, and he's here now. I don't know why I fetched him, because I'm so tired. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I don't want to stand up, isn't it? Guys, excuse the mess because we have a visitor. Cocomelon in a copyright, please. So it's either Isan Kotas or switch it off. So we've just come back from church. Today is Sunday. I am going to now, it's 1:30. I'm going to now do my meal preps, and then I wonder how long that's gonna take. I almost finished the wine that I had yesterday. If you can see, look, but yeah, I had about, I think, 4 glasses, because it was just that small glass.
I'm not sure of what I see. Cupid, don't with me. Are you telling me this is a sign? She's looking in my eyes, and I don't see no other guys. Are you telling me this is a sign? Oh.
my life. I hate this picture.
I'm not sure what I see. Cupid don't for me. Are you telling me this is a sign? She's looking in my eyes. Never seen no other guys. Are you telling me this is a sign? Oh.
I think I saw you guys when I last went to, or spoke to you guys rather, when I last went to church, when I came back from church in the afternoon. I then went to Zar's house, came back and prepared my meals, and my mans came and he decided that he wanted us to go out for to get something to eat. So we went to Spur in Times Square and we just had something to eat. We just came back home now, and yeah guys, your TMI, but I just started my period like a couple of hours ago, and let me tell you, I don't know if I told you guys about the pills that I'm taking, but my periods are 2 days early, which is weird. Like, my periods are never late, they're never early, they're always right on time, and I am surprised. And the funny thing is, I didn't have any period pains, any signs. You know, you'll get signs where your breasts will be bigger, and there'll just be a sign that your period is coming like soon. This time, zero signs. My period just decided to grace me today, and it was just so weird. I think that is it, guys. That is it. I just want to say thank you to everyone who continues to watch the videos that I post and continue to show me love. If you find that you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so and support me rather, and help the channel grow by clicking the subscribe button. You can just check if you have, or if you have not. I would really appreciate it. I'm definitely posting more vlogs, I'm posting more videos, I'm getting personal like I said, so there's definitely a whole lot to come, guys. On the road to 1,000 subscribers. Yay, we're reaching 1,000 subscribers soon, so thank you guys for watching. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video.